The next section of the What is Artificial Intelligence article discuss the future of AI. The future of artificial intelligence. Considering the growing adoption and popularity of AI, we can imagine how things would change for human in this future. Automated transportation will become more common even as early as 2020. Humans will be able to augment themselves with robot. Robot could bring a cup of coffee, prepare reports, control home appliances, handle other tasks. There will be more smart cities as vehicles, phones, and home appliances that will be run by AI. Home robot will help older people with their day-to-day works. Japan, for instance, already has in-depth program where they have begun to integrate robots to help. Tasks like contacting a doctor in case of emergency can now be done with AI. Robots will take over hazardous jobs like bomb defusing, welding, etc. Some of these robotic uses are already in development, and companies are trying to bring them to common people in a commercial business fashion. Your imagination can take this to the next level.